Welcome back to the Code Shop channel. In our last video, we explored how quality control points help automate the creation of quality checks, making the quality control process more efficient. Today, we're going to take a closer look at quality checks, inspections done by employees to make sure products meet the required quality standards. While most quality checks are automatically triggered by quality control points, there are times when it's necessary to create them manually. This can be useful for scheduling one-time inspections or recording spontaneous checks on the spot. So let's dive right in and see quality checks in action. Let's start with the Odoo dashboard. Navigate to the quality application, then to the quality control menu, and select quality checks. If you watched our last video, you will notice that the quality check form looks similar to the quality control point form. Fields such as product, control pair, type, and team work in the same way. I will go through them quickly here, but if you want a detailed explanation, you can watch the previous video. For this video, let's focus on the unique features of the quality check form. So first we need to select the product that this quality check will apply to. Next you have the control pair field. It's set to one of three options that determine when a new quality check is created. Use the picking field to select an unitary order, or the production order field to choose a manufacturing order. This step tells Odoo which operation the quality check is for. I will select the manufacturing order I created before. Next, if you want to link the quality check to a specific quality control point, select it from the control point drop-down menu. This is especially useful if you're creating a manual check that you want to associate with an existing quality control point to ensure that it is tracked with other quality checks generated by that quality control point. Then select the type of quality check you want to perform. In the team field, you can assign the responsible quality team. And finally, select the company if you are managing several companies in Odoo. Below, we can add detailed instructions to guide the person performing the check. For example, inspect the joints closely for tight fits, even spacing, and proper glue application. And add any additional notes for internal reference that will not be shown to the workers. Finally, if the check is being processed immediately, click the Pass button at the top left of the screen if the check passes, or Fail button if the check fails. Clicking either button will move the check to the appropriate stage, which can be seen at the top right of the form. So quality checks can be processed directly on the quality check page, or from a manufacturing or inventory order for which a check is required. Alright, let's save it and go ahead on the manufacturing order I created earlier to complete the quality check. To do so, I will go to the manufacturing app, click on the operations menu, and select manufacturing orders. Now let's take a look at the manufacturing order that I already created before. At the top of the manufacturing order itself, we can see a purple quality checks button. Clicking this button opens the quality checks pop-up window, which lists all the quality checks required for this order. In this case, we only need to complete one quality check. However, if there were multiple checks, this pop-up window would allow us to process them one at a time. In the body of the pop-up window, we can see the instruction on how to complete the check. If you are processing a pass-fail check, you simply need to click Pass or Fail to complete it. For other types of quality checks, you will see a Validate button instead. So let's go ahead and click Pass to finish this check. Now notice that the quality checksmark button at the top of the page has turned green. This shows that the quality check for this manufacturing order has successfully passed. And that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.